today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom audio issue on Android. If you're experiencing issue while using Zoom on your Android device, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the problem. And here's a guide to help you resolve audio problems on Zoom. First is you need to check the device's setting. Make sure your device's volume is turned up and not muted. Ensure that Zoom has permission to access your device's microphone. You can check this in your device's app settings. Simply press the Zoom app and go to app information, and over here go to the permissions and simply grant the microphone permissions, allow only while using the app, and go back. You can also restart your Zoom app. What you have to do is simply open it and close it off. Restart the Zoom app or join the meeting again to see if the audio still persists. Or you could also restart a device. Sometimes a simple restart of your Android device can resolve temporary software glitches affecting audio functionality. You could also check your internet connection. Poor internet connection can cause audio issues on Zoom calls. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Consider switching to a different network or connecting to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data. You could also try updating your Zoom app. What you have to do is go to the Play Store, and in the top there's search icon. Tap on that and look out for the Zoom app, and ensure that you're using the latest version of the Zoom app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may resolve audio issues. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.